So I got a Kawasaki Mule here. This thing's been around a while. It's got about 1,000 hours on it. Those are the original fronts, but the backs have been replaced. But it's got this seat problem here, so you can see the foam is chipping away because the cover just got dry and got punctured at one point here as well. And as it gets dried up like this, it starts to give away and it's all coming off. And I don't want to wreck the foam here, so I'm going to put a replacement cover over it. And these covers can also support the back too, so if your back cushion gets wrecked and you want to replace it, you can. And to go along with this green theme for this Mule, I've got a replacement set here with some dark green camo, which is pretty good looking stuff. So you've got the backrest portion here, and then the seat here. Nice thing about this, on the sides, it's got that camo design, and it's stitched into neoprene. So this neoprene will stretch nice and give when you sit on it. It'll flex out when you push down on it, and the foam squeezes away. And it'll repel water, and it'll make a much better seating surface than what you get originally, just that vinyl. And this is going to go right over. So what I'm going to do is just roll the seat forward, and then using this, it's got some elastic here that's going to cling to the corners on each end. It's also got, on this one here in the center, another pocket. It's got their branding here, and it's got a zipper pocket that'll go right in the center of the front there. Same for the back. It's got some elastic here, but also a pull so that you can tighten that and cinch it up with this little plastic piece here. So let's get it installed, see how it looks. So there you go, it's all installed, super simple. You just got to flip your seat up here, and that elastic will hold it around the edges. It's got a nice flex to this neoprene. Got your zipper pocket here in the front, and on the back cushion here as well, just clips around here, and they have another strap that you can filter through and click it together on that. So overall, looks really good, matches the unit really well. I like the way that looks factory, and it's not gonna wear out. I mean, it's gonna last a heck of a long time, whereas that old seat was really tore up. So I hope that helps learn a little bit more about how you can, freshen up your old Kawasaki Mule and get that thing seating looking good as new. Hope you have a great day.